अस्सलाम वालेकुम। तो हम लोग अभी कैलाश वैली पहुंच चुके हैं।
Assalamu alaikum. Right now we are at Kailash Valley, which is famous for its unique culture and tradition. Kailash tribe is one of the ancient tribes still existing in the north of Pakistan. With me is my friend Badshah Khan, who is from the Kailash tribe. He will guide us in exploring Kailash and its culture.
तो ये हमारा दोस्त है बादशाह खान।
ये हमारा गांव है इधर।
This is my village Karakal. Kailash has three valleys, Bamburet, Rambur and Birir. The total population of Kailashi tribe has just remained 4,500. It was a time when Kailashi tribe were ruling Chitral, but due to enemies around, we started living in the far mountainous region to protect our culture and tradition.
We are in the middle of the village, as you can see. Here are some well decorated and ancient buildings with a small ground in the middle which feels like a stadium. Bacha, can you explain us more about this place?
We celebrate three main festivals annually. People from different villages gather here to celebrate these festivals together. This place is commonly known as dancing place.
तो वो मतलब इसी जगह पे होता है।
इसी जगह पे।
अच्छा तो अभी
Now we are on the way to the main graveyard of Kailash Bamburet, which is on the other side of the village. So we have to cross this bridge to reach there. As you can see this building behind me, it has a great importance to the Kailash people. I will take more information about it from Badshah.
This place is known as Jastakhan. The dead bodies of people is kept here. Female bodies for 1 day and male bodies for 2 days. That their relative from other villages come and see their loved ones for the last time.
And now we have entered the graveyard. As you can see, the whole graveyard is filled with wooden boxes. Let's know more about this from my friend Badshah.
ऐसे वो बाद में कोई भी सूरत आते हैं वो निकाल के।
This is our main graveyard. In the past days, the dead bodies were placed openly in these boxes along with their jewelries and other belongings. Due to the carelessness of tourists, such as taking selfies with the bones of the dead people and stealing the jewelries and belongings, now we put the bodies in a box and bury them.
अभी तो इधर ये जो रहते
मिट्टी के बजाय ये लोग इसको ज़मीन के अंदर ही दफना देते हैं। अभी बादशाह भाई हमें बता रहे थे कि
So, Badshah, can you tell us more about the death rituals of your tribe?
The death ritual takes almost 7 days. We slaughter more than 50 cattle to provide meal during these days. If someone is not capable to perform the death ritual fully, the villagers support them to complete it.
जो होते हैं वो 2 दिन
ठीक है।
एक दिन।
As the Kailash tribe was dominating once in this region, but now they are limited to small villages in 3 valleys. This time the population of Kailash tribe is around 4500 and their population is decreasing by time due to their conversion to Islam.
अभी हम लोग जो है कैलाश के एक और गांव में आए
Now we have entered another Kailash village of Bamburet. In the entrance, as you can see, they have mounted some unique wooden statues. And the main reason for this statue is to remember their heroes. This statue is mounted by their families or by the villagers.
बनाने के लिए उनके घर वाले या फिर गांव वाले जो है उनके मदद। अच्छा तो इधर अभी हम लोग जो है इनकी एक काफ़ी पुराना घर लग रहा है।
As we have seen, the architecture of Kailash is very different from others. In front of me is an old house. As you can see, it has very detailed work on it. They have mostly used 3 materials: wood, stone and mud. The carving on the doors and the windows are very fine and unique in design. They have used the stones in a unique way by placing a big stone in the middle and small stones around it, and used a layer of wood to increase its strength. The houses are mostly 2 stories or more than that. Our journey to Bamburet has come to an end. Now we are traveling to the second valley, Rambor. It's almost 30 minutes drive from Bamburet.
अच्छा तो इस टाइम हम लोग कैलाश के दूसरे वैली
Alright, we have reached Rambor, the second valley of Kailash. Rambor is as beautiful as Bamburet. What makes Rambor more beautiful and attractive is its location. It is located on the top of a hill. To reach the top, we have to climb a long stairs.
तो इधर अब एक लोकल हैंडक्राफ्ट शॉप है तो
Alright, if you're wondering what to take as a gift to your loved ones, here it is.
तो ये इनका जो है लोकल ड्रेस है
Kailash is also famous for its handicraft.
किड्स के लिए।
Right now I'm in front of a local handicraft store. Let's have a look.
तो हम लोग अभी दरोन गांव जो था उसके बिल्कुल ऊपर गए हुए थे।
Finally, our journey to Kailash Valley has come to an end. The time spent in Kailash Valley was wonderful. I would recommend that all of you must visit Kailash.